Photography and filmmaking are fun tools to use not only creatively, but with your family and friends. Today we're going to shoot a stop motion scene and edit it in Adobe Premiere. What's stop motion, you ask? Stop motion animation is animation captured one frame at a time, moving each object between each frame, giving you a playback result of a moving sequence. Think of your old drawing flip books, same concept. Today, we're going to shoot a stop motion sequence with these M&Ms reading out the words "stay safe," taking one photo at a time as we move each M&M. All you need is any camera, your phone counts to, a tripod, and for this specific exercise, a lot of candy. I'll be shooting on the Sony a7 III, the 16-35 f2.8, and Adobe Premiere to edit. But you can edit on any editing software that you feel comfortable with. I want full control of my lighting because stop motion is much more tedious than other projects than staying away from the window. The sun is constantly shifting and creating uneven lighting. So I'm using my living room floor and my Luxley cello to give myself some even lighting for all the photos. I'll be setting my camera to shoot 16:9 JPEG to make the editing process easier. But if you choose to shoot in RAW, just remember you'll need to bring your photos into Lightroom before importing into Premiere. I'll also be using this Velo shutter remote to avoid any camera movement and not to get up every time to take the photo, but you can use a self-timer as well. Before you even begin, have a vision of what you want this video to look like, or even draw a storyboard to help you know how you're going to make each movement. Okay, we have our candy, we have our camera, let's get started. Now that we have our photos, we can go ahead and import them right into Premiere. Create a new project and name it. Import your images. I chose to shoot in JPEG since I knew I would have tons of photos and bringing them into Lightroom was going to be a big extra step. Create a new sequence. I want my video to be 4K, so I'll make my sequence 3840 by 2160 and name your sequence. Select all your photos and drop them into the sequence. Double check they're in the correct order. I noticed a later frame at the beginning, so I deleted it. With all the images selected, change the speed of each image. Right-click, change speed duration, and decide what speed you want. I'll do 0.2 seconds for each. Once you change the duration, you'll have a lot of gaps in between each photo. To bring the clips together, select all, sequence, close gaps. Your photos will be larger than your sequence size, so we'll select all and right-click and make them the frame size. The sizing may still not be just right for you, so you can select one of the images, make the size change, and color correction. Copy that image and paste the attributes to the rest of your images. You can go ahead and play it back and see if you want to alter your speed duration again or not. Once you're happy with it, you can export. You can create endless fun projects with stop motion animation. I encourage you to get creative at home and show us your stuff. Tag us in all of your stop motion animation and let us know if you'd like to see more videos like these in the comments below. I'm Maria and thanks for watching.